now ready to do the parts we need for the estimation, beta hat 1 and then beta hat 0. Okay, so first beta hat 1 is the sum of squares of x, y, sxy divided by the sum of squares of x. So the sum of squares of xy is 84.26 divided by the sum of squares of x, 21.3, and the answer on my calculator, given the rounding that we're doing here, is 0.2995. Remember, we're trying to be accurate here to 4 significant places, so that after all these calculations we're probably going to be correct to 3 significant places. Okay. Alright, and then we're finally ready to do the estimated intercept, beta hat 0, which is y bar minus beta hat 1 times x bar, y bar 16.83 minus beta hat 1, 0.2995 times x bar, 16.33, and the answer to that is 11.94. Alright, so now we can write down our equation. Remember that in general, the form of the equation that we have is y hat is equal to beta hat 0 plus beta hat 1 times x. Alright, so in our case, the answer to our estimated regression equation would be y hat is equal to beta hat 0, 11.94, plus beta hat 1 plus 0.2995 times x. Okay? And that then is our estimated regression. Let's now do the scatter diagram and draw in the regression equation. Let's get our axes ready. So here is a generic scale without any numbers on it. Let's go back to our data and see what we need to arrange for in our scale. Right, remember that the first column is the x variables, and the largest number there is about 27. So on our picture, on our scale, we can go and use units of, say, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 will be here, and 30 will be out here somewhere. Alright, on the y numbers, the largest number is 21.1, so we can do a similar scale on the y-axis. Alright, so 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, now let's plot those points. And this will be a little rough, but we'll do it by hand, just like you would on a piece of paper. First point, 7.6, 13.3. So 7.6 is around here. 13.3 will be around here. So let's say that point is approximately there. 27.7, 18.7. 27.7 on the x, 18.7 on the y. Will be approximately here. 14.5, 17.4, 14.5, and 17.4 will be approximately here. 21.4, 21.1, 21.4, and 21.1. Approximately here. 9.6, 15.5, 9.6, 15.5 will be around here. 17.6, 18.1, 17.6, and 18.1, 15.9, 13.7, 15.9, and 13.7. Alright, so up to that point, this is our scatter diagram. So XY plot of our 7 observed data points. Okay. Next point is to draw in the regression line. We need 2 points to draw in the line. So 2 points to draw the regression. There are 2 points that we know will always be on the regression. We may not be able to draw or plot both of them, but we have them. Alright, first point is the intercept, x is 0, y is 11.94. Alright, it's 11.94, and 11.94 will be approximately here. The other point is the x bar, y bar. Alright, check your numbers from above, but that's 16.33 and 16.83 for the average point. Alright, 16.33 and 16.83 be roughly here, and then we can join our points. Alright, so now we've joined our 2 points and extended the line, and this then is the regression. Alright, so we have the estimated equation here, and the graphical representation of the equation is there. Make sure that your points are scattered around the line, or vice versa, that your line goes through the points. Alright, this is our scatter diagram, and we'll now stop this movie and then get ready for our next section on